Okay, so this is question 3 of the discussion questions. What conclusion can be drawn from the table below if an element has a mass of 150 grams and a volume of 10 centimeters cubed? So it gives you mass, 150 grams, it gives you volume, 10 centimeters cubed. Now you need to find out the density, and I know it's not directly asking you the density, so that's probably why you're confused. But it says what conclusion can be drawn. So it's really asking you which of these substances has a mass of 150 and a volume of 10. And the only way to find that is to calculate the density and see which one in the table matches. So just a reminder, density equals mass divided by volume. So we take the mass, which is 150 grams, divide that by the volume, which is 10 centimeters cubed. And whatever that gives you, that'll be your answer. So you take 150 divided by 10, and there's your answer. So none of those are exact, but which one would you consider the closest? Which one do you most likely have? And so what we would say is we probably have gold, right? It's the only one that's in that double digits, like our answer was. So the only conclusion we can draw is that the closest object we have is to the gold. Then you had another question. And number 4. So you had started with number 4 correctly. You know how to find your volume. Length times width times height. And you got that already. That was 24 centimeters cubed. So that was our volume. And it gives you the mass already. And so you just need to find the density. So the formula for density, D equals M divided by V, mass divided by volume. So it gives you the mass. The mass is 48 grams. Volume is 24 centimeters cubed. So 48 divided by 24 equals what? And when it says describe the steps, just talk about what you had to do. So obviously you know that you had to calculate the volume. This is what you got. Then you had to find the density by getting the mass and dividing it by the volume. So just kind of describe your steps. If you need more help, just feel free to email me back.